SexyLashes.com has a blog that teaches readers about proper aftercare. Eyelash extensions should be treated as an investment and should be cared for correctly. Make sure you choose lash extensions carefully. Regular cleaning is crucial to removing oil residue and extending the lifespan of your filters. This NJ Lash Studios believes it is their responsibility to keep their customers safe and provide proper advice and knowledge about eyelash extensions. When it comes to proper aftercare of eyelash extensions, we give our clients a rundown of the do's and don'ts at the end of each appointment so our clients know how to care for their lashes. Caring for lash extensions is a must to prevent any eye infections and maintain their look longer, said Ash Santiago, owner and licensed esthetician. Ash Santiago is a beauty specialist in New Jersey, offering high-quality and stylish eyelash extensions, professional makeup, waxing, and facial services. Her premier eyelash extension services have been touted as one of the best lash extension services in New Jersey. For more information, click the link in the description.